doing a clean with me video today and also a sit down, and I hope you enjoy it. You know, sometimes I sing whenever I'm cleaning. But I gotta tell you something funny. Last night, well, I always make him a milkshake every night. If you're interested, I'll do a video on it tonight whenever I'm making it for him. I should have videoed it last night because you would have got a kick out of it. This is what I use. Okay. I've used it like this. So what you do is, still a little wet. What you do is you take this is the lid, you put it on there, and then you put it in there, and you turn it. And what it does is it blends the milkshake. Y'all, last night it got stuck, and I was doing this. What happens when you do this, especially when a lid is on? Pulled it up, milkshake went everywhere. I was so upset at myself. My husband, he comes in here and he's like, "What's wrong, babe?" And I'm like, "I just made this mess with your milkshake. It got stuck." The little thing, but it. And he was like, being my husband, he told me, he started laughing at first, which, guys, everybody would have laughed at me last night. He started laughing at first, and I was just so aggravated. Like, I was aggravated at myself. I could not believe that I did that. Well, he said, "Honey, it's okay. Everybody makes mistakes. Everybody makes a mess. Don't let it get you upset." I was more than upset at myself. It took me a minute to calm down. It took me a minute because I was aggravated at myself. And then he said, "Let me show you how it's done." I wish I would have got this on video. You guys would have absolutely laughed. It would have been hilarious. So what I did was, I fixed the milkshake again. I put everything we needed in there for the milkshake. And my husband, guess what? I fixed his milkshake. He took it. He blended it. And then guess what? Come right out for him. It did not get stuck. I was so aggravated. I said, "How did you do that?" He said, "Babe, you weren't doing something right." I was like, what did I do wrong? Undoubtedly, I was putting it in sideways, and that's what caused it to get caught. So I had done his milkshake, and then I turned around and I done my milkshake, and I let him put it in there because I didn't want to risk getting it stuck again. But I wish I would have got it on film because you guys would have laughed. It was hilarious. I was like, why in the world did I do that? You know? But I'm going to make me a cheese roll up for lunch. And I've got the dishes washed, so I'm going to dry them and I'm going to put them up and do a little Q&A with my husband when he gets home. This should be fun because I want you guys to actually get to know my husband, and I'm going to have him do a Q&A where he's actually talking on camera. I hope he's not too nervous because, y'all, he's not used to this, and I'm not used to this, but I'm just now getting started on this. So, I will be putting a vlog out tonight. It's called How I Met My Husband Q&A. We will be asking each other questions and answering. And I'm looking forward to you getting to know my husband. Like I said, there's things that happen that are absolutely hilarious in our lives that we wish we would have got on camera. Because let me tell you, if I would have got that on camera, you guys would have laughed. I didn't even expect it to happen. You know, it's just one of those things. Tonight when I'm making a milkshake, I will be recording it because I have a feeling it's going to happen again. And let's just say, I do not want another milkshake bath like I got last night because, like I said, it went everywhere. And I was going to do tacos for supper, but your girl forgot hamburger meat. I was supposed to go get it last night, and it slipped our minds, and we forgot. So I'm guessing we're going to do grilled cheese sandwiches and tomato soup. On Thursday nights, we always eat. You know, I never cook on Thursdays because that's when my husband gets paid. And we always go to eat. Our favorite place locally is KFC. That's one of our favorite places. Now, if we went the next town over, actually the next city over, the actual place that we would go would be either Zaxby's or Chick-fil-A. When we feel like we want to eat like something nice, like my birthday's coming up next weekend, so hopefully we get Outback. I absolutely love Outback. Outback is one of my favorites. They have this chicken that it is so juicy, it melts in your mouth, and it is awesome. They have the best steakhouse mac and cheese, and I see that little twig up there. My goodness. Y'all, if you have any suggestions for keeping those twigs from coming up, please let me know. I've had this problem for a while now. Every time I put my hair up, I have these twigs that pop up. Well, y'all, it's been a day. I tell you what, it has been a day. Like, I fell asleep and I missed my husband's call. He always calls me on lunch and he FaceTimes me. And I missed it because guess what I was doing? I was asleep. I was laying over there on the couch, passed out asleep. And all I was doing was playing on my Facebook. But you all know that when you get on social media and you get really, really, really into it, you're probably going to fall asleep like I did. I wish I wouldn't have fell asleep, but I did fall asleep. I'm going to do something different this weekend. We are going to go and see a movie, and we're going to eat Zaxby's. And I will be vlogging that, because that's part of our everyday life. I know you get tired of seeing me sit in my house and not doing anything. We also have a nature trail near us that hopefully is dry enough. If it's not, then we won't be able to go because they won't let anybody walk on it when it's not dry. But hopefully it's dry enough and I can actually show you the nature trail that we take. I did have video of it, but it's on my Facebook. Everything before I started YouTube, everything, all the memories, videos, and stuff like that, it's on Facebook. Y'all, I have a video of my husband dancing with our pet before we moved. You know, we don't have her anymore. But he was actually dancing with her, and it was so cute. I wish I could have kept that video. But my problem is when I upload it on Facebook or YouTube, I delete the clip off my phone. But once I get my laptop here in the next week or so, I'm going to start keeping the videos on my laptop, and it makes it so much easier to edit. I promise, as soon as I get my laptop, the videos are going to be better. The quality is going to be better. Like I said, I'm just now starting out at this. I'm new at this. And I hope that you are enjoying my videos. I know some of them can be boring. Y'all, I went back and watched my videos and I'm like, why did I ever upload that? That is so boring. But I also want to be fun. I want to upload fun videos, family videos. I want to do fun stuff, you know. And if you're interested in joining our family on Facebook, just look up the Suds family. I'll have the link in the description below if you're interested in joining. All you have to do is go on there and like the page. I have pictures of my kids on there. You can actually see my kids on Facebook. It's called the Suds family. You won't be able to find it in search. For some reason, I've had friends tell me that they could not find it because it was not searchable. So I will put the link below. And if you're interested in following me on Instagram, it's Carson's Wifey 18. And I'll put that down below as well. I really hope that y'all are having a great day. You have really helped me when it comes to being able to heal from things that I've been through. If you're subscribed to my channel or if you like my videos, I ask that you subscribe to my channel so that you can keep up with more videos, because y'all, there are fun videos coming. I'm telling you, they're going to be hilarious. But if you're new to my channel, which I know some of you are because I just started my channel, comment down below and let me know how you're doing and how you like my videos and ideas on videos that you'd like to see. Like right now I'm doing get to know me videos. My thing is I want you to know who we are before we actually start vlogging our life. So we got 2 more videos, get to know us, coming up. And then after that we start vlogging our life. But this weekend will be when we start vlogging actually and letting you see how our lives is, you know, in the real time. I really enjoy being on YouTube. I've been going on YouTube and seeing a lot of pages that, or a lot of channels that I really enjoy, like the Earl's Family Vlogs. I love those. Y'all, they're a down-to-earth family and I really enjoy watching their videos. And Rachel's about to have her baby and I can't wait to see that. And also the LeBrant family, Posey looks just like Everly. Like, they look like twins. And Haley and Baby, I don't know if you've ever seen her videos, but y'all, I really enjoy her videos. Like, she literally discusses her faith in her videos, and she's down to earth, and I love her videos. Like, they're fun, they're not boring, and like I said, I really enjoy her videos. One of the non-family related channels that I'm following that I really love is Mindy Minks. I started watching her And then I saw the husband Q&A where I saw he was 30 years older than her. And I can relate with that because I'm actually 10 years older than my husband. So, excuse me, I got hair on my shirt. So being able to, see that I'm not the only one that has a younger, older husband, it actually helps me to be able to be open about my marriage. And y'all, my marriage was not always perfect. It's not perfect. We were rocky at first. We dealt with his drug addiction, and it was an opiate addiction. Opiates are drugs, but you know what I'm saying. It was a opiate addiction, and it almost cost us our relationship. It was before we got married, but thankfully we were able to get him the help that he needs, and he's doing better. And he will be discussing this in an upcoming video, so if you are interested in that, then keep watching for the upcoming video, which should be out sometime next week, about his drug addiction. I'm going to do a coping on being married to someone with a drug addiction. I'm going to do that. My husband gave me permission to post the videos, so if anybody's like, why are you posting about your husband's drug addiction? He gave me permission because he wants to help others that may be going through it, and he wants to give them encouragement and hope that you can get through it. And for those who are married, he wants to show you that our marriage made it through it, and we pray that your marriage makes it through it as well, or your relationship. Well, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day. And keep in mind, tonight I will be posting another video. It's going to be how I met my husband Q&A, and he's actually going to be in the video. So we'll see you tonight.